Okay, so for these tibial rotations, you're going to set up with one hand on this bony prominence at the front of your tibia, and your other hand is going to be on your femur up here. The reason we have this hand on the femur is because as we rotate this tibia, what I don't want happening is that actually your femur is internally and externally rotating as well, which will rob movement from the tibia, which is where we're concentrating on moving in this exercise. So one hand on the front of the tibia, one hand on the front of the femur. You're then going to lift your toes up off the floor, so you're going to dorsiflex your foot. And then what I want you to do is you're going to rotate your foot outwards, and you should feel this bone underneath your fingers rotating outwards. And then you're going to rotate your foot inwards. The first thing that you'll notice is that you get a lot more movement when you rotate the foot out, because we get much more tibial external rotation than we do get tibial internal rotation. So you'll notice that and know that it's normal. The second thing I really want you to think about in this exercise is that rather than focusing on just turning your foot out and in, because then what you'll get is that the foot is the prime mover and the tibia just follows it. Actually, and it feels weird at first, you need to start thinking about actively, and I've just closed my eyes because it helps me concentrate on doing it, but actively thinking about generating the movement from this bone here. So rotating that bone to turn out and rotating that bone to turn in. It then becomes a very different exercise. The foot is just following my brain moving the tibia in and out. And that is the movement we want to improve. I don't care how well you can move your foot around and your tibia just kind of loosely follows. I want you actively improving your ability to rotate the tibia inwards and outwards. So don't think about the foot, think about this bone underneath your hand here, and then lastly, make sure that this thigh bone isn't moving. So as I rotate out, I'm not rotating my thigh out and cheating the motion like that.